Detox and refresh, essential drinks to cleanse your kidneys with water leading the way. Kidney health is paramount for the body's detoxification process. These vital organs filter out toxins, excess salts, and urea, a nitrogen-based waste created from cell metabolism. Without proper functioning, the body's ability to cleanse itself diminishes, emphasizing the importance of kidney care. Water plays an indispensable role in maintaining kidney health. It aids in the detoxification process by helping the kidneys flush out toxins through urine. Staying adequately hydrated ensures that these organs function efficiently, preventing the buildup of harmful substances in the body. Lemon water is hailed for enhancing kidney function. The natural citrate in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, making the environment less favorable for stone formation. Incorporating lemon water into your diet is a simple yet effective kidney care strategy. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, supports kidney cleansing by combating oxidative stress, a factor linked to kidney disease. Its catechins, a type of antioxidant, play a crucial role in ensuring the kidneys function smoothly, highlighting green tea's significance in detox routines. Cranberry juice is known for its detoxifying properties, particularly in maintaining urinary tract health. It prevents the adhesion of bacteria to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections. Regular consumption can be a preventive measure for kidney health. Beet juice stands out as a natural remedy for kidney health, primarily due to its ability to lower blood pressure and facilitate detoxification. Its rich content of antioxidants and nitrates aids in purifying the blood, thus enhancing kidney functionality and overall health. Ginger tea, revered for its pungent flavor and health benefits, acts as a potent natural detoxifier for the kidneys. By stimulating digestion and circulation, it helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, ensuring they function efficiently and remain healthy. Turmeric tea, with its anti-inflammatory properties, plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Its active ingredient, curcumin, not only aids in detoxification processes but also helps in preventing kidney infections and diseases, promoting a healthier urinary tract. Cucumber water, often underrated, is a powerhouse of hydration and detoxification. Its high water content and essential nutrients support kidney health by helping to flush out toxins and keeping the kidneys clean, thus ensuring their optimal functioning. Apple cider vinegar, celebrated for its health benefits, can significantly aid in kidney health and detoxification. Its acidic properties help break down kidney stones, while its alkalizing effect on the blood aids in detoxifying the kidneys, promoting better health. Hydration plays a pivotal role in maintaining kidney health, with coconut water standing out for its unique benefits. It's packed with electrolytes that support kidney function, promoting the elimination of toxins while replenishing the body's hydration levels efficiently. Dandelion tea, known for its natural diuretic properties, offers a gentle yet effective way to cleanse the kidneys. By stimulating urine production, it helps in flushing out toxins and excess salt, aiding in the maintenance of a healthy urinary tract and kidney function. Pomegranate juice is not just a delicious beverage, it's also beneficial for kidney health. Its high antioxidant content helps protect the kidneys from damage while supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, making it a smart choice for those looking to enhance kidney function. Barley water, a traditional remedy, is gaining attention for its role in supporting kidney health. Its diuretic properties help in flushing out toxins, while also lowering blood urea levels and providing a soothing effect on the kidneys, aiding in their detoxification process. Milk thistle tea serves as a dual-purpose tonic for both liver and kidney detoxification. Rich in silymarin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps in protecting and rejuvenating the kidneys, ensuring their optimal function. Hibiscus tea is celebrated for its vivid color and tart flavor, but its benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. This herbal tea acts as a potent detoxifier, particularly for the kidneys, helping to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation, promoting overall kidney health. Parsley tea, a natural detoxifier, has been used traditionally to support kidney function. Its diuretic properties encourage the kidneys to increase urine production, thereby helping to flush out excess toxins. This simple herbal remedy can significantly aid in maintaining kidney health. Watermelon juice is not just a refreshing summer drink, it's a kidney health booster. Naturally acting as a diuretic, It aids in removing toxins and supports kidney function without straining these vital organs, making it an excellent choice for natural detoxification. Berry smoothies aren't just delicious, they're packed with antioxidants that support kidney detoxification. The natural sweetness and high fiber content of berries enhance kidney function by flushing out toxins, offering a tasty way to improve kidney health. Aloe vera juice is a powerhouse of nutrients and has been acknowledged for its role in supporting kidney health. Its hydrating and detoxifying properties help in cleansing the kidneys, making it an effective remedy for maintaining optimal kidney function. The consumption of alkaline water is increasingly recognized for its benefits to kidney health. Its higher pH level may help neutralize acidity in the bloodstream, aiding the kidneys in filtering and flushing out toxins more efficiently, promoting overall renal function. Rich in nutrients, the broth made from kidney beans offers significant benefits for kidney health. This delicious and hearty liquid is believed to assist in breaking down and expelling kidney stones, while also providing essential minerals and antioxidants that support renal function. Carrot juice serves not just as a nutritious drink, but also as a detoxifier for the kidneys. Its high vitamin A content is crucial for kidney health, helping to prevent infections and reduce the risk of kidney stones, making it an excellent choice for renal detoxification. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in flaxseed water, play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. By reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure, drinks rich in omega-3s can help prevent kidney disease and support the overall function of these vital organs. Herbal kidney cleanse teas are a natural solution for detoxification, blending ancient wisdom with modern wellness. These teas often contain ingredients like dandelion, nettle, and parsley, known for their diuretic properties, helping flush out toxins and improve kidney function. Limiting sugary and caffeinated drinks is crucial for kidney health. These beverages can dehydrate your body and overburden your kidneys. Opting for water, herbal teas, or kidney-friendly juices can help maintain optimal hydration levels and support kidney function. A kidney detox drink routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys. Starting your day with lemon water, incorporating green tea mid-morning, and choosing a herbal kidney cleanse tea in the afternoon can promote detoxification and hydration. A balanced diet is essential alongside detox drinks for kidney health. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals support kidney function and overall wellness. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can enhance the benefits of your kidney detox routine. Water remains the ultimate kidney detox drink, essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining hydration. Regular intake of water, alongside a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices, is the cornerstone of kidney health. Prioritize hydration to support your kidneys and enhance your well-being.